who's there? Autism.
Master, I'm tired of picking cotton. Please give me another job.
Get back to work! I said get back to work!
Put your penis in my booty.
Dobby's gonna fuck you slow with.
When God made this girl, he did not mix.
Take a photo of yourself and see.
I'm so sick and tired of everyone thinking I'm just a little boy. I'm not a little boy. I'm a big boy. I'm a big man. Big dog. Top dog in this.
With a little bit of tism comes a little bit of fun. If you got a bit of tism,
I ain't gay, but I do gay stuff. The most dangerous animal on this planet. A violent creature filled with hateful thoughts and lust for blood.
When your legs don't work like they used to before.
Who wanna sit in this fucking tub with me and rub my fucking butt?